Hi. So this question wants you to do some unit conversions. Yeah, let's just start with part A. They want you to convert 22.6 meters to decimeters. So basically, in how you could do unit conversions, you want to find the relationship between the two units that you want to convert between. So decimeter, right? There are 10 decimeters in 1 meter. 1 decimeter is 10 centimeters. So now you want to put the um, unit that you want to cancel out on the bottom because then mathematically they'll cancel out, right? It's just like when you do it with numbers, right? If you want to cancel out this 2, right? 2 over 1. What am I going to do? I'm going to put the 2 on the bottom, right? 1/2, so that these two can cancel out. It's exactly the same thing with units. So if I want to cancel out meters, right? If I want to convert meters to something else, I have to put meters on the bottom. So 10 decimeters per 1 meter. That way I can get my decimeters on the top with the number at the end. So just plug this in, 22.6 times 10 decimeters per meter. And you should get 226 decimeters. Now sig figs, you don't have to worry about it in unit conversions normally, because your conversion is normally exactly that number. So this is actually like almost like an infinite number of significant digits, like 10.0000000, because it's like or 10 decimeters is exactly 1 meter. So you don't have to worry about sig figs. Let's look at this next question. 25.4 milligrams. So again, how many milligrams are in one? What is it? You have to convert it to kilograms, right? So we have to convert it to grams first. So how many milligrams are in 1 gram? Milli. So you have 1,000 milligrams in 1 gram. And we're going to have to put the unit we want to cancel out on the bottom, right? So it's 1,000 milligrams on the bottom. We want to convert it to grams first, right? So that's on the top. Now we have to do another unit conversion though, right? So that we convert it to kilograms. So we're converting it from grams to kilograms right now, because after this step here, it will be in grams. So what is the relationship between grams and kilograms? Kilo, right? So 1 gram is, or 1 gram is 1,000th of a kilogram, or 1,000 grams equals a kilogram. So 1 kilogram over 1,000 grams. Okay, again, you want the grams unit on the bottom so you can cancel it out. Now you can just plug this to your calculator and you should get quite a small number. You should get 0.0000254 kilograms. Okay, pretty easy. Now let's look at this next part here. 556 milliliters. Now this is pretty similar to the last one with terms of the milligram to gram conversion. So milliliter, we want to convert to liters. How many milliliters are in 1 liter? 1,000, right? And again, we're going to put it on the bottom because we want the units to cancel out. So it'll be 1,000 milliliters on the bottom, and then 1 liter on top because we're converting it to liters. And we just plug this in, and you should get 0.556 liters. Okay, simple, easy. Now this next problem is a little bit complicated because you have to do actually 2 unit conversions here. You have to convert the top part to grams, and the bottom part you have to convert it from meters cubed to centimeters cubed. Okay, so let's just do the top part first because that's probably the easiest part. So we want to again put kilograms on the bottom so that we can cancel it out. So 1 kilogram on the bottom, and then 1,000 grams on top. Okay, 1,000 grams. Now, this bottom part here, the meters cubed to centimeters cubed, is quite confusing because if I want to cancel it out, I'm going to have to put my units on the top, right? Because it's on the bottom. To cancel it out, I'm going to have to put meters squared or meters cubed on the top to cancel it out. But also, I'm going to have to do my meters to centimeters conversion 3 times because it's cubed. Okay, so the reason why is because, I mean, think about it. What is meters cubed. It's meters times meters times meters. If I only converted it once, I would get centimeters times meters times meters, which is not what I want, right? I want centimeters times centimeters times centimeters, centimeters cubed. So I need to do the conversion 3 times. So I'm going to write out my conversion here. 1 meter over 100 centimeters. And I'm going to cube it because I have 3 meters I want to convert. 3 meter units I want to convert. Okay. And the meters on top because I need to cancel out on the bottom, right? Okay, so you can just plug this in your calculator and you should get 0.0106 grams per centimeter. Okay, and that's that. This is basically the whole question. So yeah, I hope this was helpful because unit conversions are very, very important in chemistry, especially in the next section where you're going to be learning stoichiometry and converting like units like moles and stuff like that. So you're going to have to really get this down, really focus on the canceling concepts. Like you want to cancel your units out. As long as you get used to that, you should be fine with stoichiometry and all sorts of things. So yeah, thanks for listening.